Hey friends, welcome back to the Raven's Nest. For those of you here for the first time, my name is Raven and I am on a journey to lose over 100 pounds. And one way that I like to do it is share my workouts with you guys on a workout weekend. So I know I've been absent on workout weekend for the past couple of weeks, and we almost missed this week as well. This video is coming out super late because we've had no internet. There was a crazy storm that hit our town earlier this week. A lot of people lost power. We were fortunate enough to keep our power, but we had no internet. So I had no way of uploading anything. I wasn't sure when it was coming back. I thought we weren't going to have any till the end of the weekend because a lot of people weren't even getting their power back until the end of the weekend. So I hadn't actually filmed anything until sometime Friday that they were like, hey, your internet's back. And so I was like, ooh, better scramble and get this done. So here we are, Saturday morning, filming this, trying to get this out to you sometime Saturday. So today we have tickets to the gun show. That's right, it's all about our guns today. We are going to just focus on making our arms nice and strong. We're not going to get into a bunch of cardio, just the arm muscles. It is an add-on workout, so we're going to do with push-ups in between. So we are going to be doing a workout or an exercise and push-ups, and then back to that first exercise, we'll add another one, then push-ups, back to the first, the second, we'll add one, and then push-ups. And I'm going to be doing seal push-ups. Those are the easiest for me right now. My tendonitis has been acting up in my arm, so that's what I'm going to do. Feel free to do toe push-ups, knee push-ups, or seal push-ups with me, whatever is most comfortable for you. Remember, this is a judgment-free zone. We are just happy to have you here and moving along with us. So I'm going to show you all of the exercises that we will be putting into this today, and then we'll get started. So if I just start at the end here where everything is, let me just go all the way back. Let's see. Okay, so we'll start here. So we're going to need some weights. If you don't have weights, you can get bottles, cans, books, or you could just do the motions without the weights. That is perfectly fine. So we'll start with bicep curls and just basic bicep curls. You want to go up, slowly down, pick up, slowly down. And we are going to be doing each exercise for 45 seconds on with a 10-second rest in between. And then we've got the lateral raise. So we'll be going lateral raise. Then we've got the triceps. Go this way. Tricep extensions. Right here. We've got the shoulder press. Keep your core tight through these, through all of your workouts. So we've got the shoulder presses. We've got the standing fly. So one way I've heard trainer Chris Freitag say is to try and make it like your shoulder blades are dropping down into the back pockets of your blue jeans when you do these. Or it's like you're opening a newspaper. Then we've got the front raise, and we're only going about shoulder height with those. Okay, then we're just going to do a standing T pose, so we're just going to hold it. And then, of course, the push-ups. So the seal push-ups is you're laying down, we've got our arms in close to us, and we're going to push up like this. Okay? Now remember, we don't do all those exercises all at once. We'll start with the bicep curl, and then a push-up, and then we'll go bicep curl, lateral raise, push-up, bicep curl, lateral raise, tricep extension, push-up, and we'll go all the way through until we've reached the very end. So hopefully, if I've written this right, we'll be feeling it in our arms at the end, and most definitely tomorrow. So let's get the music started. Let's get the timer started. And then let's just get going. Oh, should have done this beforehand. Okay. Okay, so we start with bicep curls. Remember, we're 45 seconds on, 10 off. Good job. Slow down. Quick up. Good job. Woo! Make those biceps work. All right. Setting up for a push-up. Here we go, push-ups. Back up to the bicep curls. Keep that core tight. You guys are awesome. Look at you. Making good choices for yourself today. Good job, guys. I'm so proud of you. All right, we're now going into lateral raise. Lateral raise. Good job, guys. You guys are bad asses. You're so strong. Making good choices for yourself. You guys are amazing. Keep going. Work on those guns. Woo! I have missed doing this with you guys. Okay, now we're going into push-ups. Back down for push-ups. Get her done. All right. Back to bicep curls. Good job. I feel it in my arms already. How about you? I feel like my arms are going to be jelly at the end of this. And if you end up having to go lighter, go lighter. It's totally fine. If you end up needing to drop them, drop them. Do the motions. All right, now we're going to go into lateral raises. Here we go. Here we go. Good job, guys. You guys are awesome. Keep going. Don't give up. Good job. Keep at it. Keep going. If you slow down, that's fine. Totally fine. Next is tricep extensions. Tricep extensions. Here we go. Back it like this. Make sure to keep your elbows in. Don't be leaning back. Stand up straight. Okay, we're getting ready for push-ups. This song sounds funny all loud. Turn it down a little. Okay, push-ups, push-ups, push-ups. Get back to the bicep curls. Here we go. I don't know if this song is going to sound as funny to you guys as it does to me. Like the volume on it just sounds so funny. Lateral raises. We're on to lateral raises. Look how strong and tough you're being. Look at the good choice you're making for yourself. Let this good choice lead into further good choices. You guys are so awesome. Love that you're here. You guys are my favorite workout partners. All right, we're getting ready to go into tricep extensions. Right. Get ready to go into tricep extensions. All right, tricep extensions, guys. Keep those elbows in near your ears. Don't float backwards. Good job. You guys are doing amazing. Don't give up. Good job. You guys are rocking the house. All right. Now we're going to do shoulder presses. Shoulder presses. And if you have to, do one at a time. If your arms are tired, you can do one at a time. That's totally fine. No judgment on that. Once I start doing one at a time, I have a little trouble getting my brain to go back to two. I know my arms are already tired. How about you? Good job. Good job, guys. Now we're going into a push-up. More push-ups. There we go. Back to bicep curls. Remember to anchor those elbows at your side. Good job. Don't give up. I know the weights are getting heavy. I know your arms are getting tired. Don't give up. Keep going. You got this. Lateral raises. You are so much stronger than you think. Good job, guys. You got this. Woo! We gotta get through this together. Right on. Rock stars. Keep going. Okay, next is tricep extensions. Tricep extensions. Here we go. Good job. Okay, we got shoulder presses. Shoulder presses. You got this. There's no quitting you. You got this. You will not give up. You will keep going. We're in this together. We're going to keep going to the end together. Okay, now we're adding the standing fly. The standing fly. Remember, it's like opening a newspaper. Woo! I might have to drop weight for this one. Yes, because it is getting hard. But we ain't gonna quit. We're just gonna keep going. It's okay if we have to drop weight. We have to lower it. We got push-ups next. And I'm giving out a lower weight for next round. Push-ups. Alright, now I'm going to my lower weight. We're going back to bicep curls. And see, it's perfectly fine if you have to lower your weight. Perfectly fine. You do what your body is telling you that you need to do. So if you're finding your form is starting to give in, or your body is starting to refuse to do the motion, you just lower the weight. Just so you can keep going. Number of reps doesn't matter as long as you keep going. I'd rather you be safe with good form and keep going without quitting with a lower weight than sacrifice your form and give up early to the heavier weight. Okay, next is the lateral raise, guys. Lateral raise. Good job. You guys are awesome. I admire each and every one of you. arms feeling, guys? They burning? They feeling it? I hope so. Mine are. Oh, I'm not the only one. I could be, though. I don't know. You guys can be way, way, way stronger than me. I would not doubt it. You guys are all rock stars. I'm just here along for the ride. Next is our shoulder presses. Shoulder presses. All right, here we go. And I am alternating because I'm having a little trouble even keeping them here. My arms is very tired. But we're just going to keep going. Good job. We are doing this. All right, next is the standing fly. So we've got the standing fly, like you're opening a newspaper. Here we go. Tough even with the lighter weight. Woo! But we're not going to give up. No, we're not. Oh, Lordy. We got to keep going. Okay. Yay. Woo! Now we got the front raise. Front raise. Here we go. Woo! Oh, all of a sudden I got a knot in my back. That means I'm dehydrated, guys. I haven't had enough water yet this morning. Shame on me. All right, push-ups. Bicep curls. And guess what, guys? This is our last round. That's right. After we get through all of these, we are done. After our next set of push-ups, we're done. That's how amazing you are. You've made it. We've gotten this far. Next is lateral raise. Okay, next is lateral raise, guys. Our last time doing a lateral raise. Good job. Keep at it. You've got this. You're going to make it to the end. Okay, next is tricep extensions. Our last time, tricep extensions. Okay, next is our last shoulder press. Last shoulder press. Next is our last standing fly, our very last standing fly. Oh man. Woo, mama. I feel myself shaking on these. But we will not give up. We will not give up.
About to leave, already packed in. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action. What we can be.
Oh my. Okay, here's our last front raise.
This is what we waited for. Take my hand, go make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Done with my own doubts. Be free with
Okay, here's our first and last T-pose.
looking back, eyes on the freeway, on the incline, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, go make
We made it to the end. 32 minutes of gun work. How do you guys feel? How do your arms feel? Do they feel jelly like mine? I'm not sure how I'm going to pick anything up for the rest of the day. But we got her done. We did it. I feel pretty good about it. So I'm glad you guys were here. Ow. I'm glad you guys were here doing that with me. I'm glad you guys made it to the end. I'm so proud of you. You guys are amazing rock stars. And you guys seriously are my favorite workout buddies. So thank you. Thank you so much for being here. And we'll try not to make it such a long time before I record another one. Okay, guys, remember to take care of yourselves, take care of each other, love yourselves, love each other. Remember, I care for you. You should care for you. And until next time, thank you so much for blessing me with a visit to the nest. Bye, guys.